How to convert Google Play balance into redeem code. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for play.google.com. Now, make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Further, tap on the profile icon on the top right of your screen and then tap on the payments and subscriptions option you see there. Further, tap on the redeem gift code option. However, you will nowhere see the option to convert the Google Play balance into redeem code, as unfortunately, Google Play does not provide an official way to convert your Google Play balance into a redeemable code. However, there is a workaround. You cannot generate a redeem code directly, but you can use your balance to purchase apps, games, movies, or books and gift them to someone if gifting is supported in your region. And you can also use your balance to buy in-app items, subscriptions, or Google Play content for yourself. So, this is how you can convert Google Play into redeem code. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.